Hello dear student, now we are in class 7 exercise 1.1. Question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. Means for going into water tank some steps are there. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. It means the monkey is there at the topmost step. Here I have drawn the diagram. Suppose this is step number 1. So in step 1 monkey is present. Then water level is at the 9th step, means for going into the water level monkey has to pass total 9 steps. So this is step number 1 by default, monkey is present. Step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8 and downside last step is there 9. So this is the diagram structure. And now this question is basically divided into three main parts. So we are in the part 1. Monkey jumps 3 steps down and then jump back 2 steps up. So in how many jumps will he reach the water level? So here in the part 1 it has given some important information. Monkey jumps 3 steps down. Means for going into the water level monkey jumps 3 steps down and then 2 steps up. So in how many jumps will he reach the water level? It means you have to count number of jumps required by monkey for going into the water level. And here the logic is 3 steps first downside and 2 steps upside. So we assume the monkey, here in the question it is given itself, the monkey is present at the step number 1. So here the monkey initially require 3 steps downside. Means monkey going from step 1, step 2, 3, 4. So this is step number 4. So for solving this question, it is better if you make the 2 column. That is number of jumps and second one is steps calculation. So this is the first step. So monkey is going from 1 to step number 4. So how step number 4 is coming? 1 plus 3 equals to 4. You see here carefully, monkey is going from 1 to 4, means 3 steps. This is 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 is coming. And after that, monkey is going 2 steps up. Means from step 4 to 2. It means 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's why here 1, 2. So if you do 4 minus 2, then only step 2 will be calculated. Then after that, monkey will go again 3 steps downside. So basically 2 plus 3 is 5. Why we have written 2? Because monkey is present at second step. Then add plus 3, we will get 5. Then monkey will return back to third one, means 5 minus 2 is 3. Then once monkey is at step 3, then what happen? After 3 steps it will go to 6. It means 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So monkey is present at 6. Then after 6 monkey will go to 2 steps up. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Then step number 4, again it will go to 3 steps downside. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And then from 7 to 2 steps up. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Then from 5th step add again 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Then from 8 2 steps up. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Then from 6 3 steps downside. So it means 6 plus 3 is 9. And finally monkey will reach to the water level. So you see that equation carefully, plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 means every time plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 is coming. And then you count number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here by pen also I noted down 1, 2, 3 up to total. Then you write it down when you write in copy. So you write systematically like 1, 2, 3 up to 11 steps. So the answer of this question that we got. So monkey needs, in the question they are asking how many jumps monkey require. Okay, in how many jumps will he reach to the water level? So monkey needs total 11 jumps for reaching water level. So total jumps are 11. So we completed part 1. Now we go for the part 2 of the video, part 2 of this question. So in the part 2 they have given after drinking water, means as we got to know monkey will go from topmost to drinking level, means water level. So after drinking water monkey wants to go back for this and he jump 4 steps up. Now you see carefully, 4 steps up and then 2 steps down. This equation is always important in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top level? They are asking number of jumps. Number of jumps they are asking. Now here in this question, as in the previous question we got to know the monkey reached to the step number 9. In the step 9 there is a water level. Okay, so now monkey need to go back from water level to topmost step, means in his original position. So now here we got to know one equation, means monkey first go top side by 4 steps and then monkey will go downside by 2 steps. So this is the formula for going to the upside. So in this question you have to maintain 2 things, number of jumps and then steps calculation. So initially monkey is at the 9th step, then here it is given 4 steps up. So 4 steps up means 1, 2, 3, 4 here. It means 9 minus 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So our equation becomes 9 minus 4 is 5. Then after that monkey go to downside by 2 steps. It means 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. After that again monkey will go 4 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you see 7 minus 4, it is 3. Then after that at the 3rd step it will go downside. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now monkey is present at the 5th step. So it will go upside by how many steps? 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means 5 minus 4 means 1. Now in this equation you see first we did minus 4, then plus 2, minus 4, plus 2, minus 4. So finally monkey is present here in the topmost position. So how many steps are here, how many jumps require? So this is nothing but jump 1, this is nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5. It means total 5 jumps are required. So in answer you write needs total 5 jumps. Need total 5 jump for reaching which level? Top level from water level. Means here you have to mention the jumps. So needs total 5 jump for reaching the top level from water level. You can write the statement by your own also. So here we have completed the part 2. Now we will go into the third part. So in this third part they have mentioned if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer means step downwards means negative, and if the number of step moved up by positive integer, move up means we will represent by positive, and represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. And in the part 1 and 2 that we have seen, we have to represent such kind of equation. There they have written represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following procedure: -3 plus 2 and then 4 minus 2 up to 8. So here in A, the sum -8 represent going down by 8 step. -8 means going down by 8 step. So what will be the meaning? What will the sum 8 in B represent? Means what is the meaning of 8 in B? So here we will cover up both the part. So for solving this, I am showing you the part 1. So in the part 1, here we got the equation, that is our equation was -3 plus 2 up to equals to, it should come -8. Okay, so now you see this diagram carefully from upside, because in this question what happening, monkey is present at the topmost and going to downside. So initially monkey is present at the step 1 and then monkey will go to step 4. Going from 1 to 4, it is nothing but 3. Okay, it is nothing but -3, because in the question what happened, they have mentioned downside means minus and upside means plus. So that's why we written -3, because monkey is going downside. Then monkey is going upside means +2. So in this way you write all the values. Now here the monkey is there, then again going into the downside, it means -3. Then monkey is going upside, so +2. Then here again monkey is going downside by 3 step, so it is -3. Then here it will go upside, so it is +2. Upside means +2. Then after that again monkey will go downside by 3 step, so it is -3. Downside means -3. Upside 2 step means +2. Then again downside 3 step -3, upside 2 step +2. In this way last step downside again -3. So in this way you have to note it down, the how many steps are there for -3 and +2. -3 means downside 3 step and 2 means upside 2 step. So you calculate -3 is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times and 6 time. We should calculate from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means -18. Here +2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means +10. So answer should come -8. So here -8 means, friend, monkey needs 8 step downside. You calculate, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and downside 8. So here you can write the meaning of -8. -8 means monkey needs 8 steps downside to reach water level. Means here you can write the meaning of -8. Now going into the part 2. In the part 2 they have first upon given one equation, and the equation is this one. It is, we assume B, 4 minus 2 plus equals to 8. So in this case you have to tell the meaning of 8. So here going into the diagram, monkey is there now downside in the second one that we have seen. So in this case monkey is there in the 9th step and going upside by 4 step. Going upside by means here you write 4. Then downside means you write -2. then here upside means +4, downside means -2, and again the monkey will go upside. Upside means +4. Finally you do calculation, and right hand side they have already given 8. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Minus -2 minus 2, 4. Means your answer is exactly coming 8. So now here you have to represent the meaning of 8. 8 means monkey needs 8 steps. 8 means positive. 8 step means 8 step upside, because 8 is positive value. 8 step upsides, or you can write upward direction. Monkey needs 8 steps upside or upward direction for reaching top level from water level. You can write any statement according to you, but it should be meaningful. Monkey needs total 8 steps in upward direction. Up to this one also you can write for reaching top level from water level. So this is the meaning of basically 8. 8 means upside and -8 means downside. That thing you should keep in mind. So this was quite confusing and difficult question, but even though I tried my best, and I hope you understood this question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.